Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me. So as many of you may know, I'm in the process of going cruelty free, and I thought for today's video that I would kind of mention the products or brands that if they were cruelty free, what products I would purchase from them. But all of these brands are not cruelty free that I'm mentioning, so I'm not going to be repurchasing these items. But I thought it would be kind of interesting to share with you guys if these brands were cruelty free, I would purchase these products. So without further ado, let's just get into it. I have 5 products here. A couple of these are already used up, so obviously I'm not going to repurchase them, and then I have 3 that I still have and I'm currently working on using up. But yeah, I'm just going to share with you guys the products that I would purchase from these brands if they were cruelty free. So yeah, let's get into it. The first product that I would purchase if it was cruelty free would be the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. Now, when I used this, I felt like it dried out very quickly, so that's the only kind of negative thing about this, but I actually really liked this. This is currently used up, but it was a nice mascara. Towards the end, it did flake on me, but I would repurchase this if I could. But a alternative to this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. They're pretty similar, but this one's obviously cheaper, but Too Faced is cruelty free, so I would purchase that one over this one. But if it was cruelty free, I would totally purchase this. The next product makes me kind of sad that I can't purchase it anymore because they did start selling in China again, and I used this up already, but this is the NARS Velvet Lip Glide in the shade Bound. This is such a pretty color, and I did use this up, and I liked it, but I found a alternative to this is the Bare Minerals Gen Nude liquid lipsticks. They're pretty similar to these, and the shade that I have, and that is Boss, which is kind of a similar color to this, but I wish I could repurchase this because it was a beautiful color. It was kind of like one of those kind of more like a lip gloss. When you first put it on, it's more like a shiny, and then it does dry down matte finish. But I love this, and I wish I could repurchase it, but they test on animals now, so I cannot. Let's talk about a blush here. Benefit used to be one of my favorite brands, but throughout the years I just, found other products that I enjoy more, but this has always been one of my favorite blushes, and it's Benefit Coralista. I'm currently working on using this ups, and I've hit major pan on it, as you guys can see. I love this. I love the scent of this. I don't know what it is about this blush, but it goes with any look that I'm, wearing, and I just think it's such a beautiful blush. And I know typically you wear like more peachy coral shades in the spring and summer, but I can pull this off any time of the year, and I just love it. And if Benefit was cruelty free, this would be the first thing I would repurchase. A foundation that I have, which I've slowly fallen in love with. I'm not using it right at the moment just because it's been getting warmer here in Michigan, and I do have more combo oily skin, and this is more of a dewy foundation or tinted moisturizer, I guess. But it's the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Tint Foundation or tinted moisturizer. I'm not sure if this is actually like a tinted moisturizer or a foundation. I would say if this is a foundation, it's a very lightweight foundation, which I personally prefer just because I don't like super full coverage foundations. They usually break me out. But anyways, I've fallen in love with this product, and if Neutrogena didn't test on animals, I would totally purchase this because I freaking love this. And then I have a Chanel blush here. This was a gift from my friend Nisi, and I love this blush. Every time I wear it, I always think of her. I typically wear this more in the fall and winter. But this is the Chanel Powder Blush in Rose Bronze. It's such a pretty blush. It's just like a rosy color. Pretty basic, but I love it, and I wish Chanel was cruelty free because if and when I ever use this up, I would love to repurchase it, but I can't. And then finally, this makes me so sad, but you guys know my favorite like makeup removing wipes is the Simple Cleansing Facial Wipes, and I have several backups of these because I love them so much. But Simple does test on animals, unfortunately, so if they didn't test on animals, I would buy these over and over again. And I'm actually looking for like a new kind of makeup cleansing wipe or something because I freaking love these, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to find anything that can replace these, so this might be like the only exception that I have for like non-cruelty free items, but I'm really trying. So if you have any recommendations on the simple cleansing wipes that are great for sensitive skin and that they actually remove your makeup, please let me know, because I'm on the hunt. But yeah, that's going to complete today's video on the beauty brands that are not cruelty free, that I would repurchase these products if I could. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please take a moment and subscribe if you have not done so already, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.